everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today we are doing a Dossier candle review. I was sent this for free by Dossier. They emailed me and asked me if I would like to review a perfume, like a couple perfumes of theirs or anything else from their collection, and I just had bought some Bath and Body Works body sprays, so I was like, well, I didn't get a candle and I don't have one, well, besides the one that's about to be burned out. But anyways, I wanted the candle because that's what I needed at first, and I'm glad I chose it because it smells so good. But yeah, I want to tell you what they have on their website right now and a little bit more about it and my experience and, you know, my little opinions about this candle. I did only burn it like, I'd say about 4 hours-ish off and on, this being the third time. So I haven't really used it that long, but like I will say the first day it was like at a barbecue I was already having. So yeah, it went great for when I, you know, first lit it, and I soon wanted that smell to go away because, you know, I didn't want to mix too many smells, candle plus barbecue. It's just too much. But this went great with it. Anyways, let's get to the little information that's on the website right now, which I don't know when this is going to be uploaded. So this sale that's going on, or I guess you can call it a sale, might not be up anymore, but it says score up to 20% off plus free scent on your next order when you join the VIP email and like text message, you know, deals when you first get on the website. So that's an okay deal. It's not making me excited because this is like a brand that kind of mimics already more higher end products. So if you look at it like you like bougie products and you already buy those type of products already, then this is like an off-brand of what you might already like, so you save money that way. But it is pretty expensive. It's more like half off of what the actual, like, what they're trying to mimic is, or at least this candle behind me that I have. Let me see what that scent is called. It is called Amber Vanilla. That's the one that I personally got sent to review, and I do like the scent a lot. The main note to me that sticks out is the vanilla, which I think it smells personally like a vanilla cookie, which I didn't smell it too much the first time I burned it. I more noticed it the second time I burned it, when I didn't even know, like, for sure what was burning in my house. Like, it wasn't burning. It didn't smell burnt or anything. I'm just saying that I noticed a scent that I didn't put in the house, and all the cookings from me that happens in the house pretty much, unless Elena's like putting something in the microwave and it didn't smell like an incense, because that's what I have right now is incense mostly, besides this candle. And I hadn't cooked that day because I was at work doing my 11-hour shift, but my daughter Elena, she burned the candle while I wasn't there and already had it out by the time I got there, but it still smelled like fresh baked, like sugar cookies to me when I came in that second day of it being burned. So there's a little review, but the one I got was the Amber Vanilla candle, and it's supposed to be inspired by the YSL Black Opium perfume, which this candle that I'm actually reviewing today is $49 on the website, which I did look up the actual like perfume, because the YSL Black Opium perfume is what they mimicked off of it, and I looked at the price, and I think it was like $100. So it's about half price. I did look, they did have a candle in that at one time, but it's already discontinued, and you gotta go to eBay, and that's iffy, and buy off there, and then they charge outrageous. Plus, it wasn't a big candle anyways. The only one I saw was like a 1 wick candle. I don't know the actual ingredients of the name brand candle or anything, but I did do a little research on this certain candle. But that one looked cool because it had like, inside the candle, it had petals and stuff. I have no idea because I never saw the original price. But yeah, they do have the real candles on the actual, like the name brand candle. But I think they mimicked the perfume because it says perfume, not the candle that they actually had on that brand. Anyways, yeah, so there's that. And it's like a cozy scent. So if you do this scent quiz that they have on their website, I did get suggested this candle, but I already, you know, looking at what the perfumes they do have, which is not too many because it's more of a perfume brand, the one I'm reviewing today. So yeah, they just like to mimic, like, you know, the bigger brands. Anyways, like I said, this is the Amberly Vanilla Candle, inspired by YSL's Black Opium perfume, and they do have more scents. Candles though, they do offer free shipping on their stuff on their website, but if you burn the candle, they're not going to give you your money back. I did see that. I did look at that part on here, which that's kind of weird, but then again not, because people, you know, they might want the perfume that day and then be like, oh, well, this ain't for me. And then, but it's glass and stuff. So yeah, you're just out if you burn a candle and you don't like it. You're just out. But I don't see why you wouldn't, because it does smell really good. But it is really pricey. But if you want really high-end stuff anyways, and you want a little discount on scents that they mimic, then it's worth it. I don't see me ever paying $49 for a candle though. It does smell really good though. So if you have the money, do it. But, you know, just being very transparent, that is expensive. And I'm not a very expensive girl, unfortunately. So it might be good for you. Just personally, I wouldn't pay $49 for it. But I do absolutely love it and do recommend it if you want to spend the money for it. Just saying. Like, it would be a nice gift if someone wanted to spend $50 for you. But to be honest, I'd rather spend $50 on 2 candles from Bath & Body Works or more, you know, candles from Bath & Body Works. Just saying. But if you want the luxury brand that it mimics, then it is cheaper if you're into the very high-end kind of candles, which I'm not. So I'm gonna try their perfume. I would love to try their perfume because I do buy I mean, I'm around the 120, 140 kind of ish range, maybe $90 range on perfumes when I'm not buying like a Bath & Body Works perfume. Because I like I forgot which one I just had that I use. I can't pronounce it either. Versace. Yeah. You know what I'm trying to say? That perfume, it has a beautiful bottle. I'll just put a picture here of what perfume I'm talking about. I loved that scent. I bought the gift thing that came with the bigger bottle and the little bottle. But anyways, let's get back into this candle. So about this scent, let's click on that. Freshly roasted coffee perks up your nose, while woody patchouli and vanilla notes create a cozy sweetness, as if you brought a chic little coffee shop down the street home with you. I don't personally smell the coffee too much, but it might be because I always have coffee brewing in my house, so I probably can't smell the difference. Yeah, my house always smells like coffee, I guess. All the way up till probably like 12 o'clock. Because my husband, he drinks coffee, I drink coffee, sometimes Sid drinks coffee. So it's always warming up in the microwave after we freshly brew a coffee. So mostly vanilla cookie to me, personally. The notes and ingredients is mandarin, pear, pink pepper, and something that I cannot pronounce. The middle note, that was the top note. So the middle note, which top note means barely any, I think, on their website. But anyway, the middle one is jasmine, orange blossom. Don't really smell none of those at all, in my personal opinion. But the base note is cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee, which I will say that the vanilla is the strongest on this one. And normally I can't smell vanilla at Bath & Body Works, but I smell it in this candle. Frequently asked questions about this candle is, are these fragrances long lasting? Normally the only time I blow out the candle is when I'm either going to bed or somebody else blows it out, or I have something cooking. So I don't want it to like fight the natural cooking smell. Like I like my house to smell like home cooked food. That's why I like this candle, because it smells like a fresh baked sugar cookie. But yeah, so I don't really know if it's long lasting. I personally think it might be, because like I did say on the second day, I smelt it when I came in, but I think she blew it out like 10 minutes before I came. So I don't really know if it's long lasting, but I like the smell. It smells great. And another question that's normally asked is, what is your return policy? And it says you have free returns on every order within 30 days after delivery, but it will say it in a minute that, you know, you can't return candles if you burn them. So, you know what? I think that's enough talking about this, because this is a long video already, and I really don't have that much footage to share about it, a candle. But I will say I love this candle, and I would love to have another one, but do I think I'm going to spend $49 on a candle? No. But personally, this is the most expensive candle I've ever had. So, and I really, 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 really love it. But I don't think it hooked me enough to spend that much on a candle. The most I've ever spent, I think, might be $15 on a candle. So I'm a little on the cheap side on candles. I don't really, if I'm going to buy something higher brand, it would be a perfume over a candle. So maybe I should have gave them more of a fair chance by sending me free stuff to ask for a perfume. But I really love this candle, and I really wanted a candle. I didn't want a perfume. So I love it. I recommend it. If you already buy luxury candles and spend, you know, $80 or more on candles, this would be a great alternative, in my opinion. So, but yeah, that's pretty much the end of this review. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions that I might could answer, list them in the description box below. I also will link this candle in my description box below in case you want to try it out and you can share your thoughts and opinions with me. Or if you ever tried this candle or anything else from this brand, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, that's the end. I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!